three members in the new Duratomic technology-based insert family are designed to deliver reliable, predictable, maximum performance. We call them TP2501, TP1501 and TP0501. In this picture, they look like triplets, and as such, they connect in their different application areas. And of course, then you can find them as perfect companions to reduce your tooling inventory. The TP2501 is designed for those who focus on dependable and versatile productivity. It's a multi-capable grade in most common workpiece materials. Next in line is the TP1501, a grade that balances toughness, productivity, especially in low alloy steel workpieces. It's a top choice for operations requiring high wear resistance and is capable of high cut-on speeds. Together with TP2501, this grade covers the major part of the steel turning applications. TP0501 is the top choice if you're looking for extreme heat resistance and high metal removal rate, even without coolant. It gives you the highest possible wear resistance in high alloy and abrasive steel turning applications, while still maintaining high edge toughness. All in all, these three insert grades are designed to cover all your steel turning needs. Welcome to try them today.